Alright, so up front I just want to apologize this video. I apparently picked a pretty bad day to be filming, but I was limited getting somebody to help me. So I'm taking a look at a smart switch, and there might be a little bit of repetitiveness in this, but basically it works fine, it works well, no issues really. The wires didn't really want to grab hold very well in the box, so a little bit, finicky in that regard, but otherwise no real major issues. Here's the packaging that the switch comes in. Looks like UPS kind of kicked it around a little bit, but it was undamaged. So you get your switch that's usable with the if this then that IFTTT service. Of course, your Amazon Echo, which is what I'm using, demonstrate real quick, and then of course Google Assistant, the two most common assistants. So you have your little light switch here, iOS or Android. You have your, I guess this is basically just like a little leave a review and contact us if you need support type card. And then you have all your different instructions and information. Now I'm using the Tuya Smart app, Smart Life, apps like that. If you have it on your phone, you can utilize it. Should work. Shouldn't really be a problem, but it's really up to you, I guess, how you choose to do that. And you can set up schedules and countdown timers and things of that nature. This little piece here, or plastic bag here, is what the actual hardware comes in, which consists of a wire nut, neutral wire, and 2 screws to mount the actual switch in the wall. And then you have your wall plate with the 2 screws, and they come in this little bag. So that's pretty much just what's included. I just wanted to show you this really quickly, and then we'll jump into the video. Again, it's probably just going to be more video, less actual talking and everything. I just wasn't feeling well today and had a very limited time to shoot this and get someone to come and help me so that I could film it. But there's a wall, things mounted on the wall, so only one person could stand in that area. So filming it was a little difficult, so it's not going to be my best video, although I'm not going to claim to be great at it anyway. It gives you a little bit of an idea and shows you. But if you want to find out more details, there's going to be a link below the video. You can see there's a blue light there, and then when you flip it in the on position, it just turns to orange, which I don't know how well that shows up on the camera, but it actually is orange. Alright, so real quick heads up, if you have an Amazon Echo, this could trigger your device. Alexa, turn off the office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the office light on.
Okay.
Alright, so there you go. Simple voice command. Works well.